Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your profile picture in Bigo Live. If you want to refresh your profile look, update your image or make your profile more eye-catching, then you can easily change your profile picture on Bigo Live. First of all, launch open Bigo Live on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner from the home page. From the Me section, tap on your current avatar or profile picture at the top and you will see the Upload Avatar option. If you already have a photo there, you can easily change your profile picture. Simply tap on Change Avatar or Upload Avatar, whichever you see on your screen, and you can now choose to take a photo from your device's camera or upload an existing photo from your album. To take a picture from your camera right away, tap on Take Photo and take a picture. To upload an existing photo, click on Choose from Album. Once you get to your album, select a profile picture you'd like to use. Set the profile picture like how you want it to appear on your profile and click OK. Wait for a few seconds and you should see the new profile picture uploaded on your profile section. You can also upload more photos, add at least 3 photos to get more exposure. After you do that, you will be able to give your profile a fresh look. And that's it. You've just learned how to change your profile picture on Bigo Live quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so that you never miss another tutorial and guides. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.